My name is Kareem, and I'm a health researcher. I'm very passionate about this. I go through a lot of blogs, articles, even health magazines, interviews, and talking to experts to figure out what are the best supplements out there, because let's face it, there's hundreds of supplements out there making claims, and they can't all be accurate and correct. And I do this primarily for two reasons. One, as I said, is my love for learning about these different supplements and my own knowledge to really dive into the science of it and understand what is working and what is not. And that's why I go through all this information of blogs, articles, videos, information, and even talking to experts. And the second reason is I want to help my family, friends, and you, the viewers, so you can get the best health supplements out there and not get something that may harm you or actually just not work at all. So in this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about Java Burn, what Java Burn is, how it works, the ingredients in it, are there any side effects, and any additional information you want to know about Java Burn, I'm going to cover here. So be sure to watch the video until the end. But before we get into this, you might be wondering, what is Java Burn? Well, Java Burn is an all-natural, herbal, proprietary, patent-pending coffee powder formula. And this targets the main cause of weight gain, which you might be aware of is slow metabolism. When we have a slower metabolic rate, it leads to a lot of weight gain, and that can be problematic, especially because weight gain in the abdomen, weight gain around the organs and the liver can lead to some serious complications, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol, and even some more problems that can not only hurt with weight gain, but hurt your health overall. So prevent that, Java Burn uses nutritional